Hey, YouTube fam. Well, we're back at it with another outdoor adventure video with Monty. It's my second one. Sorry about the first one. And, look, we already got fish coming. Ooh. Fat boy. I just put it in there. See that? Now, that's a little... Some people call them bluegills, some people call them sun perches. These guys are feisty. Definitely not scared to touch them, but my hook is so small right now, I just don't want it to hook me. So we're gonna go safety first as I do this. And you know, oh, look. Came off. Hold on. Wait. No. So, that guy's back in there. Really did a number on my worm there. Let's see if we can still catch one just like that on there. That was a little quickie. Here we go, guys. Hold on. Let me pull out. So, oh, well, here we go, guys. Got another one.
Fish popping?
Yes, sir. I just got out here. Look at this one.
Nice.
Okay, we call this one right here. I don't know what we're gonna call that one, guys.
That's just the beginning.
Yes, you're right. I just caught a nice little sun perch. But look at that guy. Look. That's my fellow walkers on our trail right here. We're all friendly around here, so. That guy pulled like it has some fight. Now, I'm a beginner at, not a beginner at fishing, but I'm a beginner at my YouTube channel. I want to go very, very far with it, with fishing and stuff like that for us females out here. We see a lot of YouTubers, fishing. When it comes down to fishing, you don't see a lot of YouTube females fishing. So just the ones that I do see is pretty cool. I'm like, okay, we're out here, there, so. I'm sorry I keep sniffling. I have allergies, but I don't ever let that give up on my fishing. Definitely not. I will fish throughout all my allergies. So far, we've been having some great little bites, guys. Great little bites. Creek fishing is all I really like to do. I mean, I like to do other fishing too, but like creek fishing is like one of the funnest fishings, because like some people say they're not the biggest fish. Yeah, guaranteed they're not, but they're pretty sure some of the awesome fish. I'll tell you that. Got another one, guys. That's a baby sun perch. See that baby guy? What's so cool is I'm still using the same worm. Same one. Y'all didn't see that. Y'all definitely did see that. Too funny. All right, guys, hold on.